Hello, welcome to Bespoke, and my name is Paul Anthony.
And I'm Trevor Gilday, and today we have a very exciting offer that we're going to talk about from Robb Vices, where you can get this champagne saber for free, and you can see the damage that it does. Paul, can you tell us a little bit more about it?
Yeah, so I'm actually a subscriber to Robb Vices for the last 6 months, and when I got this saber in the Christmas box 2017, I actually wanted to reach out to those guys as the owner of Bespoke Unit and see if we could do something together. We've come together and crafted this deal where if you sign up for 3 months at least, or the 6-month or the 12-month package, you'll get this $225 Georg Jensen saber for free. You can see the links below where we actually learn how to saber using this exact saber, as well as a review of the saber itself. If you go to robbvices.com and use the code Bespoke Unit, you'll get this saber included with your 3-month minimum purchase. So guys, go out, love the saber, love Robb Vices, and please let us know how you get on.